Today we're going to perform a little experiment. We're going to see how the mindset of a human being changes when money is brought to the table. They always seem to make the right decision. So look it. I'm going to deal down a random amount of cards. I can stop at any time I want. And I feel maybe one more card. That's good. I'll take out $1 out of my pocket, place it right on top of the deck, just like that, alright? Now this can be given to a spectator, and they can do the same thing. So we're going to give it to a spectator, and they're just going to deal down a random amount of cards. And then they're going to place $1 right on top, just like that. And as you can see, that was pretty random. Oops. So now look, another spectator can do this too. We'll have another spectator do it. Go ahead. Oh, that's a little, come on, up the ante. A $5 bill? Wow, alright, go ahead. I was expecting a $2 bill. That was a little bit more rare, but whatever. And you know what? Even another spectator, why not? Alright, perfect. $10 bill. He's up in it, man. Alright, so now look. The spectator could have stopped at any place, but they seem to stop right there, right there, right there, right there. 4 random places. Alright? It just so happens to be that these 4 random places are in fact the 4 aces. Thanks for watching.